Don't hide, it's fine. He'd have to be clinically dead to not want you. In past lives, I've worn his jeans, helplessly, carnally, after someone you can't have two. And who knows which way the river blows? Better the man who can let you go. In the back of your parents' car, it hit me. I knew this wouldn't come for free. There's always some motherfucker seeking the affection of my girl. Let's play motherfucker. You ain't a fly on the ass of my love for her. And you'd be mad to think I'd go down with a fight. I know our thing checks out when it's held in the light. How can I grudge a soul for hearing their hearts scream? How can I claim to know what fish you'll find in Belize? There's always some motherfucker seeking the affection of my girl. Hey, motherfucker, if you ever get the chance to know her, treat her well.